Hello guys, and welcome to Incorp Pro. Let's learn how to place an Alberta corporation order together. First, let's open an Incorp Pro website. Please type in the search tool our website address, incorporationpro.ca. Then, at the top of the page, pick Incorporate from the drop-down menu. After that, select Standard Corporation and Alberta Corporation. Here you can see our basic package details, what is included, like agency filing fees, standard articles, and others. Here's the starting price of the package. Our guidelines are located in the upper right corner of the page and will help you better understand the product. You can quickly go through it before you place the order. If you are ready to place the order, please click Incorporate Now at the bottom of the page. The first step is to choose the incorporation date. Usually, it is a current date. Can be a future date too. The second step is choosing the business activity type. I plan to open a bakery that will provide both services and goods to people, so I selected both. After that, I will specify my business activity in the box. The next step is to pick a registration queue. Because I'm in a hurry, I select Register in 2 business hours. I would like to receive the documents by email, so I'm choosing by email option. The next step is to choose between numbered company and named. A numbered name is the simplest way to name your corporation because the government assigns the number. I would like to go for a named company. I enter the name and select the legal element. It doesn't really matter because each legal element has the same significance. I chose Inc. as I like how it sounds. Alberta NUANS reservation report will be needed for a named company. Next, you need to provide your corporate address. It must be a physical address in Alberta and can't be a P.O. box. If you don't have a physical address in Alberta, Incorp Pro can provide a registered office address and a mail scanning service. The next step is to appoint an agent for service. It is an individual located in Alberta who can accept notices and documents in person or by mail on behalf of the corporation. The agent for service does not need to be a lawyer. A valid Alberta photo ID or passport will be required to be incorporated in Alberta. You can upload it here. If all directors are non-Alberta residents, you can appoint an Alberta attorney or can take the service offered by Incorp Pro. Elect the director of your corporation. Director is a head of the corporation. He should be at least 18 years old, not declared in a state of bankruptcy. You can add up to 10 directors. If you want to add more than 5 directors, you may need to place a customized order. For now, you can place an order with the 5 directors and, afterward, give Incorp Pro a call to convert it into a customized order. The incorporator is an individual or a company under whose authority the corporation is created. It is not changeable. Usually, all directors are incorporators. The next step is to select the articles of incorporation. They can be standard, advanced, and custom. I will choose standard, as it is the simplest one. The minute book is a very important and mandatory legal document of every corporation. It consists of bylaws, share structure, minutes, and other legal sections. Because a corporation is a legal entity by itself, it could be owned only through its shares. The corporation's assets and stocks are split into pieces, and each of these pieces is called a share. A shareholder owns the corporation and receives profit from the business as dividends and shares. Shareholders can be individuals or other businesses. You can add or remove the shareholder at any time. Anybody can be an officer, including the employees. He has no decision-making power. There are no specific rules governing officer titles. You may use any title that best describes the officer's responsibilities. The next step will be to add some mandatory filing. Business number is a unique identification of your business with Canada Revenue Agency. Corporate tax ID or corporate income tax account is like a SIN number for a corporation. You may add other CRA accounts to your package, such as GST account. Every time a business incurs an expense, be it rent or paying for goods, it pays GST. If you set up the account, you can claim it back. If you have employees, including yourself, you must set up a payroll account. If your goods or raw materials cross the Canadian border, you need to clear customs using the import-export accounts. WCB is the Workers' Compensation Board registration. I don't have an accountant, so prefer Incorp Pro to take care of all these accounts registration. It will be beneficial to get some important corporate supplies, such as share certificates and a corporate seal. A share certificate is a physical document that shows the number of shares owned by a shareholder. Corporate seal or personal stamp is an extra protection against fraudulent activity. A corporation must file its annual return with the government every year to keep it active. You may add annual return to your package to avoid risk of forgetting it. Incorp Pro will take care of it. As my company is new, I will add post-incorporation support, so the Incorp Pro accounting team can help me respond to the notices received from the government. I will also reserve a domain name for my future website. This page will show you a price summary and the list of products we have added to the package. Next is the final review page. Here I can double-check all the entered information. If I have noticed a mistake, I still can go back and fix it. Also, I can see the grand total of my order. Finally, a checkout page, where I will enter my billing information. Incorp Pro accepts Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and debit card payments. You can pay with a PayPal as well. Congratulations! Your order has been placed successfully.